Millie, make a special appearance. Millie, come on, come on. Good girl.
Look at her nose.
I saw it. Back up, come on. Alright guys, so we got the Bushwhacker style cheap fender flares, and we're going to try to install it onto here. I already kind of mocked it up real quick, and there's a lot of cutting involved. So I had to actually roll the fenders when I put these on with the last video because the tires were rubbing. So I'm going to start by cutting that off first, and we're probably going to have to trim the front up a little bit. Millie, what are you smelling? But anyways, yeah, we'll try to get these on, and I'll throw it on the tripod so you guys can see how much we struggle. Alright guys, so we got this side put in. That took like almost an hour just to do this one. But it is looking pretty good. So I got a little bit of shaving to do right down here and some in the back. But after I finish this one, I'm probably going to call it a night. Try to finish it up tomorrow. Get it? Millie. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We got one side done last night. We didn't get this side done. So I'm going to go ahead and start mocking it up. We already started cutting a little bit of it, and I've had to remember to film. So try to throw it on the tripod, time lapse it real quick, and then see if we can get that mocked up real fast. Okay guys, so pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just marking where the other side is, so hopefully I'll be able to just line it up right there. And somewhere down here. Let's see if I can get it straight on. So we'll see. Okay, so now what I'm doing is just running the weather strip on this. I'm using the blue tape to help it keep it in place. We got the passenger side and the driver's side is done now. They looks pretty good. The passenger side actually came out a little bit better than the driver's side. I got a little bit of gap here. And the passenger side, it's barely anything. So I think this side lines up way better. But then again, this front end was hit on the driver's side. So it doesn't line up completely 100%. So I still got to replace these, replace that, and I got to fix the fiberglass. But I'm going to go ahead and try to finish up the rears before it gets too dark out. And I'll keep you guys posted, but I don't think I'm going to keep filming throughout the whole thing. It's just really time consuming. So, I'll keep you guys posted as I continue going along, and hopefully I can get the rears done tonight. Alright guys, so I got the driver's side done. This gap was a little bit more than I wanted, but it's on there. Coming along, so now I just gotta get the passenger side, and I'll be done. Here's the finished product. It's kind of hard to see, it's a little late now, but I think it went up pretty fine. Try to get some pictures of it during the daylight. But oh, can't see nothing there. Alright, so yeah, these are the cheap eBay ones. They were $86, I believe. There was a lot of cutting. It took all in all probably like 8 hours to do. The back, I cut only a little bit, but the front, there was a lot of cutting involved with that. Also, the Jeep is not very straight, so it didn't line up perfectly. But then again, you know, $89 compared to the $400 Bushwhacker ones. So I think it came out pretty well. It'll keep the cops off my tail, that's for sure. And yeah, if you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. $100 giveaway at 250 subscribers. So help me get there. That way I can continue doing more giveaways. And then once I start actually getting parts in and stuff in like that, I start doing more giveaways actually. So I'm gonna call it a night. I think the Jeep looks great. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Really, honestly, none of this could actually happen if you guys don't watch the channel. So I really appreciate that. Even right now we're still at the low numbers, around the 40s and stuff, at 130 subscribers. So I'm trying to get those numbers up there. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get to thousands of views, and that way I can start doing bigger stuff. I can actually fund it all. Right now, I'm just paying it out of my pocket. I'm just working and just trying it on the weekends. So I hope you guys like my content. I hope you guys subscribe to the page, share with all your friends, so that way I can continue making more videos. Alright, but until the next one, I'll see you guys then.